What up? What up? It's your boy Nate back with another one. I got two stock picks and a crypto update for you guys. And I'm going to get into how the market performed today. S- I'm only going off of my portfolio though. And, I can throw a little insight on how the market performed outside of my portfolio. But, I put you guys on to a couple stocks. So I got to let you know how they performed. And I happen to have those stocks. But first, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Investing carries risk. Talk to a financial advisor in your area. Always do your own research. This is simply my research. And most importantly, I am not trying to sell you anything. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. First stock I got for you is Affirm, ticker symbol AFRM. Okay, that's the first one. Affirm, ticker symbol AFR. I'm sorry about that. I was trying to look at the board so I could hit that money sound. So, Affirm, for those who don't know, Affirm Holdings Inc. operates a platform for digital and mobile first commerce. Its platform consists of three core elements: a point of sale payment solution for consumers, merchant commerce solutions, and a consumer focused app. And so far as today, Affirm opened up at $65. It's currently sitting at $73.80. It has a 52-week high of $100 and a 52-week low of $30.90. On the year, it's up 18.5%, $11.57. And 30 out of 30 analysts, their ratings for the stock Affirm. 73% say to buy, 23% say to hold, and only 3% say to sell. I think this is a good stock to look into. I plan on seeing how it's performing tomorrow in the market before I make a purchase. And I would suggest you all do the same. Give it a look. Come up with what you choose. And if that's the stock you're interested in, I think it's definitely one that could grow. So again, it's right now sitting at $73.80. I personally could see it getting up to about $80. On the overnight market, it says as of now, $7.69, 11.72%. After hours, yeah, I think this thing will hit $80 by tomorrow, like for sure. So again, something to look into. Again, I'm not telling you to buy whatsoever. You do your own research, but that is stock pick number one. And number two, stock pick number two, Circle Internet Group, ticker symbol CRCL. It's currently sitting at $82.65. It opened the market at $77.92. It has a 52-week high of $298.99. That's high for the 52-week high. So for it to be at $82.65 at the current moment, it makes you think. But also understand it has a 52-week low of $31. Okay. 26 analyst ratings has it at a 46% buy, 38.5% hold, and 15.4% sell. So from what I gathered, why I forgot to tell you what the what Circle Internet Group is. Sorry about that. Circle Internet Group Inc. provides financial technology solutions. The company provides a digital asset platform and network utility system that enables businesses of all sizes to harness the power of digital currencies and public blockchains for payments, commerce, and financial applications. Circle Entertainment Group serves customers worldwide. The listed name for CRCL is Circle Internet Group Inc. Okay. Me personally, again, today's high, I don't know if I mentioned that. Today's high was $83.54. So, after our market has it at minus 22 cents. But as I look at this candlestick, I don't see it going down any lower than this. I think this thing can get up to, again, the today's high was $83.54. I think I could see this one getting at $85 tomorrow. Not much, $3, but it's growth. it's growth, depending on how much of this stock you purchase. If you were to make a purchase of this stock, then I swear anything can get my attention. I had to get that up off me. But yes, I can see this stock going up quite a bit. My 2026 projection for this stock is around $90, but I do think it will have some volatility as it's had. But I think looking into the market tomorrow, this is definitely one to put on your radar. Okay. And just to get into how the stock market performed today, as I look at my investing account on the day, I only made 24 cents. I am not going to lie to you guys. It was a rough day, up and down. I'm talking about my portfolio was like 50-50. I mean, Roblox went up a little bit. Roblox went up 49 cents. QQQI went up 10 cents. BMNR went up 44 cents, but it started on the downward spiral. ARKK went up 92 cents. And again, this is only my portfolio. And VUG, it went up $1.20. But due to how much I was losing in VTI, LOUP, Credo, which I'm trying to get rid of Credo, guys. Again, I'm just trying to make back the money that I put in it. So Credo has been hurting my portfolio for days now, weeks at this point. But over the past couple of days, it's been the worst. And then as I go to my Roth, where I'm majority of my finances is going there, my investing finances is going strictly to the Roth, down $5 on the day. Again, I only have 3 grand in this. Again, I'm a new investor. I only have 3 grand in there. It's down $5. My year to day, I'm still in the green. So no complaints. But as I look at that portfolio, VU did not perform well today. QQQM was up. SMH was down. Gold held it down again. I'm telling you, I told you guys in the last video, anytime my ETFs or stocks are down, you got GLD, gold, and you got V and Q. That's REITs. That's real estate. Those two hold it down for my portfolio. Okay. My international market, VXUS, that was down. SCHD is always shaky. So it's usually down, but that's in the portfolio for dividends, that's to reinvest. So I look at it as like that. I may never get a huge return from SCHD, but I understand its purpose. And SPYI, which was a new add to the portfolio, I'm still unsure about it, and it didn't move for me. So that's how it went in my individual Roth, and in my managed account, down 24 cents. And then in that managed account that I have that Robinhood controls for me, that's literally $5 a week. That is just me learning from them, investing, taking a chance, and I'm okay with the outcome. So that's how that went for me on the day. And so far as crypto, I made $1, a single dollar. Okay. I bought a ton of XRP yesterday. I think I told you guys that. XRP was down around like the $1.84 range. So I was like, okay, buy in. If this thing can get to $2.25, I'm cool. If it gets to 3, I am great. But I now have 15 XRP. I could easily buy a ton more, but again, as I've told you all before, crypto, I am not all in on crypto. I'm more focused on stocks, but I'm giving crypto a chance. So XRP is up. It's now sitting at $1.93. Bitcoin, it's up a bit. It's sitting at $87,000. It's in the green currently, but we know how Bitcoin has been this year. It's been quite the year. Ethereum trying to get closer to that $3,000 range again. It's at $2,950. And slight Solana update, my least favorite of the 4 that I have. It's at $129. And Solana has been a failure for me all year. I can say, besides Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, there was points within the year that I was up, and I kept throwing in a couple extra bucks, and that thing started to go down, which it's expected. It's crypto, very volatile. We know how crypto works. And yeah, that is the crypto update. Again, I gave you guys 2 stocks today, and with that information, you do as you please. But as we all know, I am not a financial advisor. Investing carries risk, and to basically, you do what you feel is right for your situation. And on that note, I'm gonna hit you guys with some chimes. Peace. Hey.